There's already a lot of people using this method in secret and making over $1,000 daily just to search on Google. It's completely free, and I know everyone watching today's video goes on Google to look up certain things. So if you guys want to know how you can make money by searching on Google, then click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, we all know that Google is one of the world's largest companies, and daily, a lot of people use Google to search for certain information. They like to explore on different things. They like to look up celebrities, read ebooks, watch movies. They visit different websites. But did you know that a crazy basic Google trick can actually just make you a ton of money? All you need is a phone or a computer or whatever device you already have and a stable internet connection, and that's basically it. You can use this method no matter where you are because it's available worldwide and it's 100% free. You just have to make sure that you watch until the very end of today's video to not miss anything important and to start earning $1,000. Let's jump right into it. So I want you to head on over to google.com, and then you're going to look up news.google.com, and that's going to take you to this page. Now, I want you to pay close attention, okay? So if you want to actually get paid from Google, then you have to take a look at the left side of the page, and then you're going to find, different categories of news. We have business, tech, entertainment, sports, science, and health, and these are the most talked about topics. So it's what majority of the people like to look up these days or like to read about these days. And if you click on any of these, you're going to find the news related to that category. So the next step is to just choose any article that you're interested in. Now, there are a lot of articles here which are all very informational, very professional. So as soon as you've selected your choice, all you have to do is click on that, and what's it going to do is that it's going to take you to the actual article. So this is the whole news, the one that you chose, right? And this is where the magic is going to start to happen. Now, by using Google News and using the articles from other people, professional articles that you can see here, this is what's going to make you money. You're just going to copy sentences or the whole paragraph, and then we're going to move on to the next step where you're going to open up a brand new tab and you're going to type in spinbot.com. Now, this website is a free text rewriting tool. Now, as you can see over here, they put their own twist on the articles. So basically, it rewrites the text. It's going to rewrite your whole article. It's that simple. All you have to do is paste what you've copied, and then you're going to click on this button to rewrite the articles. You're just going to paste it there and then rewrite, and then you're going to wait a bit, of course, and then it's going to rewrite the whole article, turn it to a brand new one, and as if you didn't even do anything at all. It's as if you wrote it on your own, which is amazing. Again, you're going to paste the paragraph here, the one you just copied, click on this button, and there's your brand new article. Now, most of you are already familiar with this method and the power of Google and AI technology. Now, you can use this power to actually rewrite articles and make it completely your own and transform it into content that cannot be compared to anyone else's, where you can make a lot of money. And also, for the third step, once you're done rewriting the article, you're going to be visiting different websites that I'm going to be showing you, and it's 3 different websites. So make sure you stick until the end. If you guys want to make some more money online, then make sure to check out our description box down below. We have links that we prepared there for you that if you click on them, you're going to learn how you can make even more money than $1,000 every day. So make sure you check out those links, click on those links, and use it to its best potential. Also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. So our first website is called Textbroker. And as soon as you're on the home page, you're going to click on I write content on top, and then you're going to click on payment, and they're going to be showing you how much money you could be actually making when you start submitting your articles over here. So it obviously depends on the quality of your articles, and they're going to be rating you with different stars, different ratings, which means that it's different amounts of money. And you are going to be paid per word on this website. Again, you don't need to write any of your own articles. You don't need any writing skills or any experience. You just have to follow the steps that I had initially showed you. You're going to go onto Google News, look for an article, copy whatever you like, go onto Spinbot, paste the article there, and have it completely rewritten. And then once you have that, you can submit it on Textbroker and actually earn money. You are going to get paid to do so. So for sure, with the articles that you're going to get, you're definitely going to be rated a 4 to 5 stars. And then you are going to get paid loads of money. Now, this is probably one of the easiest methods I've ever tried in a very long time for beginners as well. So you can really do this. Now, you can combine multiple articles in one, and this is gonna give you a higher word count, which means you're gonna get a higher payout. So a few reasons to join Textbroker right now is because it's a free sign up, it's super flexible, and you have a whole lot of more freedom in terms of time. You can submit as many articles as you possibly can, and they're gonna pay you once a week. And you've earned $10. You can start cashing out straight into your account. Now, our second website we have is called iWriter, and this works in 5 easy steps. Step 1, you're going to register for a free account. Step 2, you're going to request for the type of content that you want to work on, and you have to decide first which category you want. What kind of articles would you like to write? As you can see, you can select from a ton of different categories like business, tech, entertainment. And then step number 3, you're going to receive your content from a writer. And step number 4, you're going to review your content, and you can either approve or reject it. And lastly, step number 5, you're going to download your content, and then you're going to get paid, and then they're going to be paying you a lot of money. So as you can see from this page, you're going to be making different amounts of money, and it depends completely on what people actually buy. So under Elite for 300 words, it's around $7. And if you go higher, then let's say you're dead serious about this, for 4,000 words, you could be earning $88. Now, the good news is that you provide, great articles like from Google News, which means that you can join the Elite Plus category, where you're going to be able to earn about $250 for up to 3,500 words, which is a huge amount of money. And you can use the same article again, and you can submit them to Textbroker and iWriter as well. So imagine with just one article, you can make money on 2 different websites. You just have to sign up for these websites. Again, registration is completely free and is open to anyone from all over the world. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. So our third website is called scripted.com. This one will also pay you for any article that you've written. All you have to do is click the button on top to become a writer, and it's going to take you to this page where you can apply to be a freelancer and submit your application right here. Now again, you can work any field, any category, and this is exactly why Google and Google News is so famous, because they have a lot of the hottest, most top issues that people are actually interested in reading. There's so many resources, so many news and articles, and it's always updated each and every single day. It covers tech, entertainment, science, and health, and no one is talking about this method yet. That's why I wanted to share it to you guys and offer it to you guys, because obviously we use Spinbot as well, that basically rewrites a whole entire article into a completely brand new one. So it's perfect, it's beginner friendly, and to begin, again, it's super easy. Payment is guaranteed on this website as well. You're gonna get paid 15 days after accepted, and you are going to be able to set your own price. So if you compare this to the 2 websites that I had just mentioned and talk about, on this website you're going to be able to charge even more. That means you can make even more money. You can make 3 times as much money as you can in the 2 websites that we've mentioned. You can work anytime, anywhere, and they're accepting applications from over 20 countries. So all you have to do is click the apply now button, and then you're going to be taken to this page where you're going to be able to finish your registration. To create a free account, you're going to type in your email, your first and your last name, and a password. So to get paid from Google, you're just going to tap use the power of Google and Google News to get multiple articles, rewrite it using SpinBot, and submit it to the 3 websites that I just talked about. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.